Are you a digital nomad searching for the perfect laptop that matches your mobile lifestyle? Look no further. Choosing the right laptop can make or break your efficiency and comfort while traveling the world. It's not just about power, it's about portability, battery life, and much more. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of laptops ideal for digital nomads. We'll explore what makes a laptop truly travel-friendly, from its build quality to its performance under different conditions. We'll guide you through the top choices on the market, helping you find a laptop that not only meets your needs, but exceeds your expectations. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more digital nomad essentials, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. Let's get started and find your perfect travel companion. Key considerations for choosing a laptop. When you're always on the move, picking the right laptop is crucial. Here are the key features to look for. 1. Portability. One of the first things to think about is how easy it is to carry your laptop. The size and weight matter a lot when you're traveling. A lightweight and compact laptop won't slow you down or take up too much space in your bag. This makes moving from place to place smoother and less tiring. 2. Battery life. There's nothing worse than your laptop dying in the middle of a work session, especially when you can't find a place to charge it. That's why battery life is super important. You'll want a laptop that can last for hours on a single charge, so you can work freely without worrying about finding the next power outlet. 3. Durability. Travel can be tough on your gear. Your laptop should be sturdy enough to handle some bumps and knocks. Look for one with a strong build or consider getting a protective case. It's worth investing in something that won't break easily, as replacing or repairing a laptop while traveling can be a hassle. 4. Performance. Your laptop needs to keep up with you. Whether you're editing videos, managing spreadsheets, or running multiple apps at once, it should be fast and responsive. Make sure it has a good processor, enough RAM, and ample storage. These specs determine how smoothly your laptop runs when you're multitasking. 5. Connectivity options. Finally, check the kinds of ports the laptop has. USB ports are essential for plugging in devices like mice and keyboards. HDMI can be handy for presentations. And an SD card slot is great for transferring photos from a camera. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities are must-haves for staying connected on the go. Top laptops for digital nomads. Introduction to the segment. When picking the best laptops for digital nomads, we focused on what you really need while traveling. Portability, battery life, durability, performance, and connectivity were key factors. Whether you're editing videos, writing articles, or handling business from the beach, there's a laptop here for you. High-end option. For those who need a powerhouse, consider a premium laptop that can handle demanding tasks like video editing or 3D modeling. These laptops come with top-of-the-line processors, high-quality graphics cards, and plenty of RAM. They're built to run complex software smoothly, so you can work without delays. Plus, they often feature brilliant displays with crisp, clear visuals, perfect for creative work. Although they're pricier, their performance justifies the cost for professionals. Mid-range option. If you need a good balance between cost and performance, mid-range laptops are ideal. They offer solid processing power and decent storage, handling most tasks a digital nomad might need without breaking the bank. These models usually have enough features to ensure a smooth workflow, including good battery life and a comfortable keyboard. They're great for writers, digital marketers, and anyone who doesn't require heavy graphics processing. Budget-friendly option. For digital nomads just starting out or those on a tight budget, there are laptops that offer basic functionalities at a lower price point. These won't have the high specs of more expensive models, but they're good enough for writing, web browsing, and light photo editing. They're also lightweight and often have a long battery life, making them great for travel. Special mention, convertible laptop. Lastly, let's talk about convertible laptops. These versatile devices can switch between a traditional laptop and a tablet with a simple flip of the screen. They are perfect for digital nomads who appreciate flexibility. Use it as a laptop when typing out reports or flip it into a tablet to sketch, browse, or read comfortably. Their touchscreens add another layer of convenience, especially for creatives who like to work hands-on. Detailed review of selected models. Model 1. Overview. MacBook Pro 13. Key features. The MacBook Pro 13 inches comes with Apple's M1 chip, which delivers incredible performance and efficiency. It features a Retina display for crystal-clear visuals and True Tone technology, which adjusts the screen's color temperature based on the environment. Pros: outstanding battery life of up to 20 hours, exceptional performance with the M1 chip, and a lightweight, sleek design ideal for travel. Cons: limited port variety, with only 2 Thunderbolt ports and higher price point compared to other models. Model 2 Overview. Dell XPS 13. Key features. The Dell XPS 13 offers a 13.3-inch FHD Infinity Edge display, Intel's 11th generation processors, and a compact, sturdy build. It's equipped with a large precision touchpad and a comfortable keyboard. Pros: excellent screen quality, strong build, and good battery performance. It's also equipped with a good range of ports for better connectivity. Cons: the webcam quality is mediocre, and the high-performance models can get quite expensive. Model 3 Overview. ASUS ZenBook Flip 13. Key features. This convertible laptop has a 13.3-inch OLED touchscreen that flips 360 degrees. It's powered by Intel's 11th gen processors and includes a stylus, making it perfect for creative tasks on the go. Pros: versatile as both a laptop and a tablet, high-quality display, and comes with a stylus. It's also lightweight and has a solid battery life. Cons: slightly less powerful than other non-convertible laptops at similar price points. Limited onboard storage in base models. Comparative analysis. For those needing battery life, the MacBook Pro 13 inches is unbeatable with up to 20 hours of usage. If processing power is a priority, both the MacBook Pro and the Dell XPS 13 are top contenders with their latest generation chips. For versatility and usage, especially for creative tasks like drawing or note-taking, the ASUS ZenBook Flip 13 stands out due to its convertible design and touchscreen capabilities. Each model has its strengths, so the best choice depends on your specific needs as a digital nomad, whether it's long battery life, high processing power, or flexibility in use. Additional tips: accessories for mobile setup. To make your mobile office as comfortable as possible, consider getting a few key accessories. A portable laptop stand can help raise your screen to eye level, reducing neck strain. Cooling pads are great for keeping your laptop from overheating during heavy use. Also, an external keyboard can provide a more comfortable typing experience, especially during long work sessions. Maintenance tips. Taking good care of your laptop is crucial when you're on the road. Always store it in a padded case to protect it from bumps and drops. Keep liquids away to avoid spills, and make sure to clean the screen and keyboard regularly to keep them free of dust and debris. It's also a good idea to back up your data frequently, just in case something goes wrong. Security considerations. Security is a big concern for digital nomads. Always use strong passwords and consider additional security measures like two-factor authentication. Physical security is also important, so never leave your laptop unattended in public places. Consider using a cable lock to secure your laptop to a stationary object when you need to step away. This will help keep your data safe and your laptop secure, no matter where you are working from. Thanks for tuning in to today's guide on the best laptops for digital nomads. Whether you're editing videos from a beach or coding in a cafe, finding the right laptop can elevate your travel and work experience. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more content like this. Have any questions or want to share your favorite digital nomad gear? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Safe travels and productive journeys wherever you go. Until next time, keep exploring and stay connected. Let's make work from anywhere truly wonderful.